How to fit and wire an RFI filter for an AC inverter drive. General-purpose inverter drives are being used throughout industry and domestic applications to provide accurate speed variation, smooth power-up, increased torque and energy saving. The drive featured in this video is one of the world's most popular small inverters from Lenza. This guide is not an exhaustive manual and should be used with common sense and the relevant manual, training and experience. Wiring the drive. Wiring a drive is as easy as wiring a plug. It will help to have the motor nameplate information to hand. The basic voltage, current and maximum speed reference is enough to get started. Always check that the power supply and motor specification matches the drive. To operate, the drive must be connected to the power supply, the motor, and earthed to the cabinet or mounting plate. It must be mounted in a suitable cabinet or covered control panel to protect it from dust and moisture. In many EU situations, an AC drive must also be fitted with an RFI filter to protect the power supply from unwanted interference. Mounting the filter. The filter should be mounted onto a backplate and secured. Mount the filter securely to the cabinet using all 4 screws. An earth cable should be mounted securely to the earth tab on the filter and connected to mains supply earth. A 3-phase power supply protected with a suitable safety circuit breaker is connected to the filter using terminals L1, L2 and L3.